Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your dude, Yo Rebel, Yo God Sergeant, so King Sergeant, here for the first episode of season 7, 351. We're here again for the third time at the Science Center for Star Wars Night. And this is my own character. I look pretty. It's my friend. She's so pretty. Yeah, Star Wars Night once again. Should be downstairs. Yeah, so we're gonna have a whole lot of adventures out here. You know, why?
I don't know.
But y'all always go Imperial. Oh, look at that. Oh, Palpatine, right there. Come on, let's go say hi. All right. Yep. No, it's Facebook. Yeah, it's already recording. I got it. All right, so real quick on the Star Wars whole franchise. Surprisingly, watching the prequels when I was a kid, I was okay with it. I was young. Of course, nowadays, you know, people can really give so much grief on it. One being which, seeing 1, I saw 2 on DVD, saw 3 on TV, I saw everything else at home. Now, of course, the future Star Wars I saw in theaters, except for the last one, but I will watch that later. And look, more things. But yeah, it's always been good to watch Star Wars. I've not seen a cartoon. Oh, we're definitely getting in there. We're getting in there. Yeah. But yeah, so it's been so many years since Star Wars. I've not watched cartoons, but I might get that soon. Yeah. So, but like I said, it's always great to be back here again for the 3rd time. Didn't even do my last year because there was no Star Wars last year. But it's all cool. We got Force Awakens. There. Wow.
The Last Jedi.
Rise of Skywalker.
No. You're the Last Jedi.
You're gonna be Last Jedi in a minute. I swear to God.
Fuck you.
Look at all the art. This is canon. This is totally canon Star Wars. And surprisingly, Vegeta's the only one Super Saiyan God. That's basic. Okay. Look at all these things. I've developed that. Oh, I can't see it. Hold up. Hold up. There we go. All right. There we go. We got Boba. We got Daddy. We got Stormtrooper in the back. Baby, oh, I got 2 of them. All right.
How come you didn't do
Look at all these. Because it makes sense. And look, you got Punisher in the bottom. You got the Netflix one too. I like that. Look over here. Alright, we're not done yet, but right now I'm in line. About to see the movie. Again, here are my peoples.
I didn't know that wasn't sold out.
YouTubies. Yeah, so finally, as far as me watching this movie in the theater, I'm complete. Now I just gotta watch Mandalorian. So I will see y'all in a few hours, real quick. Okay, so real quick, my phone's dead. The movie was good. It was really good. And this has actually been another fantastic First Friday Star Wars event for the 3rd time around, consecutively or whatever. So, as the first episode, I want to say thank you guys for watching this one. We got a whole lot more to go through later on in the series, so you already know how it is. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all that. Till next time, stay tuned for 352, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace out. Stay awesome.